Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by matching prerequisites and taking immediate, effective actions. First, confirm your character level and that the target class is unlocked. This prevents wasted resources. Once done, equip weapons or accessories that increase class XP or progression speed because they compound over multiple runs. Then allocate your first skill points into the core passive nodes to secure baseline survivability and damage. This early stability shortens grind time and lets you safely attempt higher difficulty missions right away. You continue by establishing a repeatable mid-game loop focused on efficiency. Identify stages that give the most class XP and rare upgrade materials, then run them in consecutive batches so bonuses stack. This reduces downtime. Make use of conversion systems to turn surplus drops into class shards or upgrade tokens, because targeted materials speed progression more than random farming. As you upgrade skills, raise tiers in half-step increments and rebalance attribute points between runs to maintain DPS and survivability. You wrap up upgrades by finishing the final tiers and confirming your build performs under pressure. Invest remaining materials into ultimate skills and test them in high-risk encounters to validate choices. Adjust as needed. Optimize gear by adding enchants or set pieces that enhance class synergies and percent increases, because percent boosts scale better late game. If progression stalls, reset skill points or temporarily refocus farming with XP modifiers and repeat the efficient loop. That troubleshooting step fixes bottlenecks and gets you back on track.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.